good morning from Dubai, and in this video I'd like to show you features and videos of this beast behind me. It's Lamborghini Urus. Yeah, it's tuned by Mansory, as you can see, and yeah, in today's video we'll go through different features and I'll try to show you as much as possible and talk about the rental requirements and everything about rental in this video. So yeah, okay, let's start with some cold start. So the car is called Mansory Venatus S, I think. It's pretty interesting name. Mansory has certain way to do it, how to do things. So yeah, pretty interesting thing about this car is this is start stop button. Usually you have start stop, I think, around this area, which is kind of worn as well. As you can see, the carbon fiber is coming off. And yeah, the next thing about this car, it's all in carbon fiber. All where you can see some material is carbon fiber. So carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber front, and basically everything you can see is carbon fiber. So when we look the inside, we see carbon fiber signs Venatus S, which is the name for this vehicle. So yeah, pretty interesting. Mansory everywhere, carbon everywhere. Yeah, pretty cool interior. You have starlight, sunroof, Mansory headrest. Pretty cool. So hey guys, in terms of driving experience, it's pretty good, but I'm in Dubai currently, which if you've been here, you know all of the speed restrictions and everything. You cannot really push the car and test out the car, so it's pretty much, yeah, undoable at this point. So I can tell you from my point of view that this specific car, it's more for the flex than, well, it's obvious, than for the driving experience. It's so obnoxious. It has blue interior, crazy color or wrap, or how should we call it, crazy spoilers all over the car. Is carbon fiber is all over the car. It has crazy sound and crazy exhaust, straight pipe, and it's all crazy, but it's not really driver's car, so that's what I prefer more. But yeah, it's one-time experience. I will never have this car again, so I thought that I might as well record something about it and my feelings. If you are the type of person that likes flexing and showing around, this is the perfect car for you. It's not my thing, and as I said in the beginning of this video, I would like to talk about the pricing, or at least the condition of this car and everything, and my experience with rental. Of course, I haven't returned the car yet, so I cannot do 100% full review because we'll see when I will give this car away and back. But so far it's been really cool. This car for one day is around, I think, 1.5 thousand euros. Originally from this rental company I had rented a different car, but it was some kind of maintenance, so they canceled, or they said that they cannot give me this certain car that I went for, which was originally, I think I went for Mercedes AMG G-Wagon Brabus, which was cool as well, from the pictures at least. Really cool interior. And the reason that I have this car and not some sort of sports car that I like more is that I wanted a four-seater, so something bigger, because I'm here with my mom and my sister, and we wanted to go to Abu Dhabi and this sort of stuff. So for this amount of money, I would definitely went for something different, something sporty. if I would be here alone. So yeah, that's the little side story to that. But anyways, originally I went for G-Wagon, and then they canceled and rebooked me for Bentley Bentayga, as well Mansory, which was, I like the Mansory Bentayga more in comparison to this, from pictures at least. So, but they canceled the Bentayga as well, which was a little bit more expensive than G-Wagon, and they gave me this for the same price that I had rented, or I had ordered a Bentayga, so which was a little bit cheaper than originally. But yeah, I paid for this car around 1.2 thousand euros per 1 day, which was all that I needed. I will be returning the car back today. So yeah, anyways, would I pay it again for this car? Definitely not. Was it good experience? For sure. You never know. So you need to try new things. But this particular car, as you can see, has 129,000 kilometers on a dashboard. So it's pretty worn, I need to say. Outside is worn, the wrap is like, you can see underneath the original paint, which is yellow. So not ideal. And you can see a few details here, like on the steering wheel. Here are some scratches on the outside. Carbon fiber is scratched. Under Mansory logo is some sort of there are some sort of scratches. So yeah, all over the car you get these notifications all of the time. I had to refill the oil, which is, I guess, normal for this type of car. But yeah, overall the cruise control is not working, and yeah, some things are not ideal. So one thing which is really important for me, when you are switching from first to second gear, it's kind of jumpy. Yeah, all you can hear are some turbo whooshes and this crazy. So like you can see, I need to let off the throttle, then it's still, you see, the transmission is not working properly, I would say. So so yeah, this is kind of unfortunate, because you want to drive the car and not worry about shifting from first to second. So any other gear is pretty much fine, I would say, but from first to second, you really need to let off throttle completely and just shift. But when you want to drive a little bit more sporty, it's kind of too bad. So I found a way how to do it without it, but for less experienced drivers, it can be really scary. And yeah, if you push it, it's like really jumpy. So you need to get used to that and to figure this out, how to do it, to let off the throttle when you are shifting to second, and then the rest of the gears are cool. But yeah, transmission thing and this sort of stuff. So like I said, would I do it again? No, but I'm glad for this experience. At least I can record some videos for you guys. So yeah.